Welcome to another one of my videos, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. Okay, let's get to the video. First I'm going to show you what the slime looks like. This is what it looks like. Here, hold on. It stretches, but you got to be like gentle. Okay, let's get to the video. The things you will be needing are something to mix with, something to put it in. This is some glue. I just put it in this. It's glue. We're not going to use all this glue, but it's this is laundry detergent, and you'll be needing some shaving cream. So let's get on to the video. First thing you're going to do is take your bowl, and then you are going to pour some glue in there. You're just going to need that much. And then you're going to go ahead and add your laundry liquid. You're going to add itty bits at a time. See, like I just put a dab right now. When you start putting it, you're going to see how it's starting to come together already. Let's add some more. Just keep on adding itty bitty drops until you get you can feel it right now. It's like this really weird consistency, and you got like soap stuff on your hands. But you're just gonna want to mix that for about 5 minutes, okay? After you're done mixing that for about 5 minutes, you're gonna get some shaving cream. Make sure you mix it. And we're just gonna add itty bit. And we're just gonna mix that for another. Okay guys, now I'm in the bathroom because you're gonna need to do something. Okay, then you're just gonna get it off this and go ahead and pick it up. And you're gonna have to work with it for a few minutes. Let me pause this and then. Okay. I'm done doing that, and we have our slime right here. But that is how you make slime. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.